I just bought myself this YPOO walking pad, so I'm going to unbox it and put it together and see how hard it is. Okay, for the sake of time, I'm just going to speed this part up while you watch me take it apart. It was super easy to put together. It pretty much comes together. You just have to put in a couple screws. The first one is to put on the iPhone or iPad holder on the handlebars. And the second screw was to screw in to hold the handlebars up. But you also have the option, see there's all the pieces right there. It comes with the option to not use the handlebars. You can just leave them down and it will still work just fine. So these are the pads. Somewhere where it can be plugged in. All right, so I've got it put together. I'm just gonna put in the power cord and then give it a try. So the way you adjust it is right here, the height. You just put that yellow thing down and take off this foot. And we're gonna plug it in right here. Okay, and this is some oil if you need oil. And then we have our remote. So walk with me on my first time. So I'm about done with it. I just want to show you a couple things that you have to do to get it to start. First of all, you got to put batteries in the remote. It calls for 2 AAAs. And then to get the handlebars to stay upright, there's 2 screws that you got to put in. This. So we'll screw that one in here. And then we're going to put the screw on the side. And if you don't want the handlebars, then you just take these out and slide it down and you don't have to use the handlebars. So I'm 5'2", I'm guessing I'm gonna fit just fine on here. So I've got the remote, it's turned on. You can see what it says there. I'm just gonna do a fast click on the on for it to go. And here we go. And then I can push up to make it faster. And then if you want to stop, you do a hard click on the off button and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to show you my husband's stride on here. He is 6'4", so we're going to see if it's too short for him. It could possibly be. I didn't get that one down.
That's fine.
Here, you can control the speed. Okay, so he can still do it. I'm guessing if he wanted to run or something, it might be kind of hard, would it? Do you think? Okay, perfect. So there's him at 6'4". Okay, it's going good. Me at 5'2", what my stride looks like on here. Okay, for me and my area where I wanted this, I think that this is perfect. It fits perfectly in the corner of my house right here. I just wanted it for walking purposes with just a light incline, which is exactly what it's offering me. So this is a good product. I love that it has like an area to put your phone on right there or a tablet. And the length of it's just fine and perfect for me. Even you saw even my husband that's 6'4" can walk on it. So here you go. Here's the YPOO Fitness walking pad.